After successful login, Iris 2.0 dashboard screen shall appear and the taxpayer will click on Declaration option from the mega menu. From the drop-down menu, the taxpayer will click on second option of Return Statements Original. And from the horizontally mapped menu, the option of Normal Return, Individual, AOP or Company will be selected. Next, a pop screen will show up and the taxpayer will enter the relevant tax period in the tax period field and click on Continue button. The taxpayer will land on the Data tab and will click on Employment tab, and in the section of Pay Wages or Other Enumeration will enter the annual income. Once the income is entered, the taxpayer will click on Calculate button. Next, the taxpayer will click on Tax Chargeable Payments on the same page. From the drop-down menu, the taxpayer will click on Computations. Now, scroll down to view the admitted income tax amount. The taxpayer shall copy this amount and on the same screen, click on the Adjustable Tax tab. Paste the copied amount in the section of Salary of Employees under section 149. Once the amount is copied, click on Calculate button once again. Now back in the computations, the taxpayer can view that the admitted income tax has been shifted to the withholding income tax. Furthermore, to complete the process, the taxpayer has to give the relevant information in the Wealth Statement section. To begin with, in the Personal Expenses tab, the taxpayer will enter all the relevant information. Next, in the Personal Assets and Liabilities, other relevant information will be entered. Please note, return will only be submitted when the taxpayer has successfully adjusted the unreconciled amount to 0. Once the unreconciled amount is 0, the taxpayer shall click on Save button to save the data. Once the data is saved, the taxpayer shall click on Submit button. Once the Submit button is clicked, a verification screen shall open, where the taxpayer will enter the 4-digit PIN and click on Submit button to submit the request.